My favorite word, and I think the most important word in the world, is the word let's. When anyone get together, they say, let's go to lunch, let's go to dinner, let's hook up, let's start a revolution. So it's like the biggest activation word ever. And I always like to say that it's not about us here on the stage, it's about what's going on in the audience. So in a few minutes, I'm going to ask you to collaborate and talk to new people, and I'm going to tell you when to start, so don't start yet. But first I want to take the temperature of the room, and I like to use this high technology approach. How many people love their job? Raise your hand. Look around, and looking around, this is technology. This is better than technology, and so it's a great way to see what's going on. And this is one collaboration artist tool that I like to use. The other collaboration artist tool I like to use is when there's a line at the coat check, I like to say hello to everybody. These things are simple, and you just don't think about them many times. I want you to, for the next 3 minutes, to talk to each person and get to a let's. I want to activate the room. I've been trying to get major politicians to do that. It's not about us, it's about you. You can create a business meeting, you can get a date, you can do anything. I'm a guy, I need permission to look at the next person. And I think that people need permission to talk to each other. So I'm giving you permission in the next 3 minutes to say hello to everyone around you, get up, and just go. All you guys, stand up. We're activating the audience. I'm going to try to get the room back, and I'm going to try to use the thing called shh. Now, let me talk to you about what we just did. We created probably 800 conversations, and we activated this room. Everybody talks about marketing activations. We're able to do it if a collaboration artist works properly. He's allowing people to connect the room. Politicians ignore this because they think it's about them. But if you are able to create a community, I think it's incredible. You've had more types of conversations that have been generated by this. You never know what happens from a serendipity point of view. You may go downstairs and say, oh, I saw you earlier. There's all these things that you can do. And in the book, you're going to learn all about these types of things.